Say cuckoo bird. Are you good, bird? Are you good? Look who got mad. Took a shower. Yeah, look who took a shower. Pickle, pickle. Pickle, pickle. Yeah, good bird. Pickle, pickle. Yeah, good bird. Tell Mama love? Yep. Well, kisses. Yeah, are you good? What? Pickle, pickle. Stop scratching. Stop scratching. Stop scratching. Stop scratching. Peekabird, are you good? Are you good, bird? Lie to everybody. Tell them you are. That's true. You're not. Hey, you're a naughty bird. You're a naughty bird. Yeah, you're a naughty bird. You're a cuckoo bird. Yeah. Are you a cuckoo bird? Yeah. Are you a cuckoo bird? Cuckoo. Are you good? What's your name? Say peekle peekle. Say peekle peekle. Huh? No, you're not going to cooperate with me. Say peekle peekle. Huh? Oh, you hissing. You mad. Yeah, you mad. Are you hissing? Yeah, I don't like the camera. Say peekle peekle. Peekle peekle. Are you a good bird? Huh? Are you a good bird? Yeah. Say good bird. Yeah. Show feathers. Let me see feathers. Show Mama feathers. No, don't bite. Show Mama feathers. Show Mama feathers. Open them up. I know, we still mad. Come on. Show feathers. Be good bird. Show feathers. Aw, you mad. You're not going to cooperate, are you? Show feathers. Show feathers. Show feathers. Show feathers. Come on, show feathers. You can show feathers? No. Be good bird. Show feathers. Open up. Not yell. Come on. Show feathers. Not your tongue. Oh, nobody wants to see tongue. Show your feathers. Open them up. Be good bird. No bite. Give kisses. Give kisses. Come on, give kisses. Give kisses. Peekle, peekle. Yeah, say peekle, peekle. Yeah. Tell me your name. Say peekle, peekle. Say peekle, peekle. Say peekle, peekle. Yeah, whisper. Yeah, you're peekle, peekle. Yeah, peekle, peekle. You whisper. Yeah, peekle, peekle. Good bird. You love Mama? Huh? Are you Mama love? Peekle, peekle. Oh, praise the Lord. Raise your foot up. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Come on. Praise the Lord. Come on, do it again. Raise your foot. Praise the Lord. Come on, raise your foot. Good bird. Good bird. Yeah.